Hello there everybody, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to use my tab system that I used for a game I made called DripLeafed. It's a web game and this tab system is HTML, so if you don't really want HTML then this is not for you. But otherwise, if you're still here for this, then I'm going to show you exactly how you can use it for yourself. It's definitely not the best, but it's free and I don't care if you give me credit or not. You don't have to. So let's just get onto it, I guess. So first things first, you're going to want to install it. I will link it in the description, but inside of the folder, after you extract it, you should see index.html and styles.css. So I'm going to do something. Let me do something real quick. Okay, that works. Perfect. Okay, we're going to do open with, and I'm just making sure that I can show the website without getting my IP linked. Okay, cool. So, now that I've made sure I can't leak my IP, you're going to want to open it up in a program called Visual Studio Code. Not this one. This one. You can find it on the Microsoft Store or on their website, I believe. But once you've installed it, you're going to want to open it, and there's probably going to be like a big open folder button here, or you could just go to File, Open Folder, navigate to your folder, and then click Select Folder. Now once you're in here, you'll see two files, index.html and styles.css. Now personally, if you want to run this quickly and live update based off your code and every time you save, then I'd recommend getting the extension called Live Server made by Ritwick Day. It's really good and basically runs off your computer and updates every time you save your file. It updates the page. It's a very useful extension, although I personally wouldn't recommend showing you using it on YouTube. At least not the URL, because the URL is just straight up your IP. So, yeah, you want to be kind of careful when using it, but I'm going to close this because it's making noise. So the first thing you want to do once you've opened it up is you'll see something that says div class tab container. And this is all the tabs that you will see in your program. To add a new tab, you're going to just simply copy it and then paste it right below. You can set the ID to sometimes what you want, but with this thing, whatever you want to call it, tab system, whatever you want to call it, you have to have tab before it and then a number, which is the tab order, I think. I think it's ordered like that. Let's actually test that by making our supposed to be fourth tab, tab 3. We'll see how that works out. So, go ahead and change your text to whatever you want. For this, I'm going to say just tab 3 with 3 3s to represent 3. It's goofy, but I don't know what else to put. Then, after you've got that, you want to go over to these buttons. You cannot change their class, and once again, ID. Also, all of this is case sensitive, which means that you have to have the exact capitalization that all the others do. So for tab button, it has to explicitly have a lowercase t at the beginning, and then when it gets to button, have an uppercase B. And then just simply the number afterwards. We're going to flip these. put this one at 4, and then you can just put whatever text you want in there. We're halfway done already. Now we just need to go into the script tag, which is literally just JavaScript, and it's super easy to get done. This part, as I just said, is super easy to get done. So, first things first, we're going to swap these out for 4s. Then you want to put a comma in here, right next to document.getElementById, tab 3 is what it'll be for you. You want to go space, or you don't have to, but doesn't matter. Then you want to type document.getElementById, parentheses, quotation marks, tab, and then whatever number you put it as. Same thing for down here. You just want to do document.getElementById, tab, button, then your number. You can also just copy these and change the number, but it really doesn't matter how you do it. And once you have that done, you're done. You're finished. You've done it. You have used this tab system. You don't even have to worry about all the stuff down here, because that is just part of the code to allow it to work. If you understand how to program well, then you can take a look at this, optimize it if you want. I don't care too much, but now you're going to want to press Control S to save. And if you're using a live server, simply just right click the HTML file and click Open with Live Server, or you can press Alt plus L and Alt plus O, which means you have to press Alt, L, and O, I believe. But I'm not going to use that because that might just as well be an IP leak. If you're not using live server, then you're going to want to open up your folder in your file explorer. Right click the HTML file, click Open With, choose another app, and you can choose one of your browsers. And then click Always use this app to open HTML files, so they always run using that browser, unless you are to edit them. Now just simply press OK, or if you already have it set up, then you can just simply double click it. And then, as you'll see, we see this. Shut up. But you'll see this, and basically, if you want to access any of your tabs, simply just press tab 1, 2, and it looks like it does go not based off the ordering. Actually, it does. Yeah, it goes based off ordering. So, yeah. But tab 4, and then tab 333, the tab you just added, is right there, available for you. Super simple to use, super easy, barely takes any time at all. And overall, I think you should use it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I know I did, helping you guys to use this. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.